Hi everybody, it's Deb from DnDArtGallery. Today I have a 16 by 20 birchwood painting panel prepared on the back with tape and my push pins. And I've put down a thin layer of the Arist Loft Flow Acrylic White. And if you've ever heard of an open cup pour, I'm going to do something like that, only I'm not going to use a cup. I'm just going to use this little lid that I had. See how that goes? Let's talk about my paints. First off, I have Amsterdam Vandyke Brown. And to that, I've added, I think, 4 drops of Golden HIgh Flow Burnt Sienna. My next color is Amsterdam Pearl Red. And to that, I have added 4 drops of the Golden HIgh Flow Titanium White. My next color is Arist Loft Red Ochre. And to that, I've added again the High Flow, Golden HIgh Flow Quinacridone Azo Gold. My next color is FolkArt Metallic Inca Gold. And my next color is the Blick's Turquoise. And my last color is the Blick's, nope, I'm sorry, it's the Chromacryl Cool Blue. And to that, I have added 4 drops of the Golden HIgh Flow Phthalo Blue. So, let's move these out of the way. And I just want to see if this will move along the canvas as I add the paints to it. I'm going to give it a little bit of white to get it started. If it doesn't, I might have to help it along. My pouring medium today is 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and I also did add a squirt of GAC 800, and also I added a teaspoon of Golden color pouring medium gloss to each of the paints too. So a little bit different than my normal, but we'll just see how it goes. So let's get started. Give it some blue. And I may not cover the whole canvas today, and that's fine, since I put down the base coat of the white, and I might have to add more white also. I did not put any silicone in my paints. It's looking like it wants to move a little bit here, and I may have to direct it. This, that pearly white I'm using has a really pretty sheen to it, a little bit of sparkly to it. I've never used this lid before. Kind of looks like it has a mind of its own, but I will try and coax it here. Just letting out the paint slowly. And I will be tipping the paint on the canvas when we're all done with filling this little cap. I didn't talk about consistency. Sorry about that. Leaves a little bit of a mound there. Kind of like it to go up in this area a little bit. Looks beautiful so far, these colors together. I may be able to get one more layer out of these paints. And the gold. I want to take a minute to thank all of you that have been watching my videos. We've been trying to grow our YouTube channel. So any of you that do watch the videos and you do like them and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and when you hit the bell, make sure you choose all, because there's been some problems, I understand, with YouTube, that if you don't select the all, you won't be notified when I put up a new video. So you want to make sure that you do select that all. And for those of you who have subscribed, I want to give out a big thank you. Thank you for that. think I'm going to have paint kind of thick in some areas and not so much in others, but that's okay. Just move it around on that canvas. And for this also, I'm going to just put some design in there before I tip it. Okay. So you can see that I have many cells that have come up already. Okay, do some tipping. I don't really have any plan in mind as to how to tip, just to cover the canvas. Try and get this corner down here. And this corner over here. I'm going to bring it back to the middle now. Okay, going to bring the paint down to this corner. And I'm going to bring it back a little bit here. Okay, let's see what we have here. I think it looks really pretty. I love these colors, just beautiful. I'll tell you what that high flow, the Golden HIgh Flow Acrylic, what it does. It gives you this lacing in between. You can really see this blue lacing right in here and in here. Very pretty. I do have my sides taped up to just under the lip of this wood canvas on the side, this wood panel. And I'm just checking my corners now, trying to find paint that matches. And I will check that side over there when I come to give you a close-up. And I will torch. Get some air bubbles up. I like the composition of this. I really don't feel like I need to move it anymore at all. I mean, there's so much different things going on in this painting. I'll clean off the bottom. I really like the deep blue in here with that orange color, that rusty orange. Okay, I'm going to get you down for a close-up. Let me get it closer here. This side looks pretty good. That corner looks good too. Okay. Okay, we have up here the upper left-hand corner. Excuse the light there shining in it. Sorry about that. I'll try and get in a little closer. There's that dark blue that I just love that with that orange. Very pretty. So this is the bottom left-hand corner. You can see the different kind of cells in here. Now I'll get in close. This is that lacing I was telling you about, that the Golden HIgh Flow Acrylic. That's what will come out when you use that kind of paint. It's so pretty. And I got some of the white up in there too. Some cute little blue cells here. This is the lower right-hand corner. Here's that white spot that I ran my tool through just to break it up a little bit, because I just didn't want it to be one big white blob. Here's a little colony of cells there. And here is the upper right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video. Share, subscribe like I talked about before, and ring the bell so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody. Bye.